Can I have multiple tax-advantaged accounts? Imagine having several secret savings tools that help your money grow faster and save you taxes. Well, you can have more than one tax-advantaged account, but there are some rules to keep in mind. Tax-advantaged accounts are special accounts that give you tax benefits. Examples include Roth individual retirement accounts, 401(k) plans, and 529 college savings plans. As a teenager, the most common one is a custodial Roth IRA. This account is opened by a parent or guardian and managed for you until you turn 18 or 21, depending on your state. You can contribute money you earn from a job, and it grows tax-free. You pay taxes on the money before putting it in, but then your investments grow without taxes, and you can take out the money tax-free when you retire. Now, can you have more than one of these accounts? Yes, you can. You can have different types of tax-advantaged accounts at the same time. For example, you could have a Roth IRA for retirement and a 529 plan for college savings. You can also have multiple accounts of the same type, but the total amount you put in all of them combined cannot go over the annual contribution limit. For 2025, that limit is $6,500 or your total earned income for the year, whichever is less. So if you earn $3,000 from a summer job, you can only contribute up to that amount across all your Roth IRAs. To open a Roth IRA, you need earned income from a job. You cannot contribute more than what you earned. Also, custodial accounts requiring an adult to manage them until you reach the legal age, which is usually 18 or 21. When it comes to withdrawals, contributions can be taken out anytime without taxes or penalties. But earnings, which are the money your investments make, have rules. You can withdraw your contributions anytime, but earnings can only be taken out tax-free if you are at least 59 and a half years old and have had the account for at least 5 years. Starting early with a Roth IRA is a smart move because your money can grow over time thanks to compound interest. Compound interest means your earnings generate more earnings, making your savings grow faster. If you want to save for college, a 529 plan is also a good choice. Having multiple accounts can help you reach different goals, like saving for college and retirement. Just remember to keep track of how much you contribute and follow the rules to avoid penalties. So, yes, you can have multiple tax-advantaged accounts, but always stay within the contribution limits and make sure your contributions come from earned income. Starting with one account now can set you up for a stronger financial future later.